I challenge you to kill at least 4 medium-sized demons with nothing but chain gun and a map, but you can use other weapons unrestricted during other parts of the same map. Do you accept? I accept your challenge. I am the Dude 00. Welcome back to another episode of Brutal Doom, where I have been challenged yet again by I am the Dude 00. I am the Dude Man 00. Sorry. And let's go ahead and start this right now. There's no talking, no singing, no breathing, no smoking, no drinking. None of that. The pit. I don't like this map very much because it's hard. It's difficult. And I think the best strategy that I can possibly do is go up there first. Yeah. Oh shit! They all dropped down. Holy shit! Shit! Shit fucking titties! Ow! Try that again. Wow! What are you guys doing down there, Dad? The what? Hello! Whoa. He just fell off. Did he fall off? No, he didn't. Okay. An M fall down there? I don't know. I don't think I can, but, yeah. Alrighty then. Now I'm gonna save it, because I'm a chicken shit. That makes me feel a little better. Ow! Ah! It's a crap load of shotgun shells, man. A lot of shotgun shells right there. No! Oh, wait a minute. I can just go up the stairs. Okay. And I do believe I can lower this, but I think there's a wall behind this, too. And there is a wall. Yay, there's a wall. There's also a berserker kit, which I don't need right now, but I'll get it anyway. Alright, this is where the shit hits the fan right here. I don't know what's in here. There's a shit ton of monsters in here. Okay, let's start the count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just keep on going. Screw it. That's fine. Alright, alright. Does that mean they're dead? What the hell was that? Oh! Oh, put that away. Woo! Didn't even see that guy. What? What is this shit? I think I killed 5. But I'm out of ammo. I'm out of minigun ammo, so I can't really keep on going with that. If I get more bullets, I will continue. Kill even more guys with the chain gun. Shut up. Alrighty then. I've got 0 armor. Haha, that's great. Jesus Christ, there's monsters everywhere in this stupid piece of shit. Ah! Come on, come on. Yeah. Me and you. Oh, that hurt. Okay, he's dead. Oh, that hurt. I need more health. Need more health. Need more health. Oh yeah, more health. That armor really helped out in the... What was that? Who opened that? I hate when they get smart and figure out how to open up the door. Shut the hell up. I think I should go ahead and save it. Yeah. Isn't there a revenant on the other side of that? Let's pick that up real quick. There we go. I hate how they all drop like that. I thought only one of them dropped, but when they all drop, it's like, oh god. That's a yellow door. Couple of shotgun shells, alrighty then, yeah. Just... I tried. Got rid of the ammo again. Alrighty then. I do believe that there is a Keko demon right below that, but that's why I don't want to drop down and get my balls chopped on. It's a shotgun. Ooh. Ow. I have 22 bullets. 22. You dead? Alright, get some more health. There we go, just gotta leap, take a flying, faithful leap across a freaking pit of death. Dead. And no one likes to be dead. Because the dead only know one thing, and it's better to be alive. Could have sworn there was a Keko demon here somewhere. Keko demon, where are you? I guess not. Oh, you scared the hell out of me. Okay, let's do that. What's over here? Oh, bullets. Alrighty then, there's bullets here. So, okay. Get my key. Alright. Got some more bullets for my can. My Gatling gun. I'm gonna go back in the round room with the thing, yeah. You'll know what I mean here in a second. Come on. Ow. That's 6, I do believe. That Paleo Muscle that I killed earlier did not count because I ran out of ammo. That's 6.
Excuse me, sir, it's 7. Shut up, Pee-wee.
I don't know how that's a secret, but okay. Just poke your stupid head out and see how. There we go. I love kicking things in the face. Okay, all right, we got that solved. Let's get out of there. Oh, God. Don't cry, be a man. Shut up. Now what? Now what the hell am I supposed to do? Got stairs. Ah, more stairs. Is that stairs? That is stairs. Okay. What's this? That's a door! That opened up and... Ooh, you scared me to death. I am not gonna like this room at all. I love this room. I don't want to go down there. That's a death trap waiting to happen. Whoa! Hey, another work, douchebag! Let's do it! Oh, I gotta pull the switch. Alrighty then, I think that's the challenge completed. We're just trying to take this a little bit further, that's all. Whoa! Come on, buddy! You can't catch up, buddy! You can get over this! You can get over this! Own it! Where'd that frickin' payload missile go? He dead? Okay, I think he may be dead. Okay. Get my rocket launcher out, and let's send these guys some of my fireballs that I have. I hate this stupid door. Alrighty then. I love the rocket launcher. So, how y'all doing out now? Me? I ain't doing too bad, I suppose. But I'm probably gonna die here shortly. It's inevitable. Death, death, death. Shut up. I wonder if those guys were dead back there already, or were they just kind of standing there? Oh, they were dead. Okay, I can kill some people back there. They're not people, what am I saying? They're demons. Ooh, a rat suit, nice. Pick that up. Okay, we gotta watch out. Shut up. Uh-oh. Oh, I missed. Did you really still want to listen to the freaking double shotgun? Get out of there. I'll save that for later. All right. Ooh, health. And a little switch down there, too. Oh, I'm full on health now. That's good. Did that jump anything? No, it did not. Okay, let's pull that. And it lowered that. What does this do? What did that do? Oh, I know what it did. I think it opened up that door. I don't know. Let's do this. Those switches do the same thing, the one that's on the bottom? I don't even know. There's this room right here, which I could have totally used that freaking rat suit to walk in there instead. But I didn't, because I wasn't thinking. Woo! Ow. You see, when there's a fireball coming at you, Jacob, you're supposed to move the hell out of the way, not stand there. Ow! Oh, come on. Ah. Yeah, kill each other, kill each other. Die, die, die. I hope there's not a pig on the floor over there. I think there is. Oh, come on now. Oh, there we go. Is that it? Die! This is going to be a really long episode. Just go down here, screw it. Couple of portals. Portals! And health. Save. Ooh, an orb. What is that? Oh, damn it! Oh, it forced me. Okay, I have to go all the way around the other way. Oh, what the shit is this? Fuck you! Look, gonna love my friend fighting. It's fun. Oh, I'm running out of primary ammunition. Ow, why didn't I just move? Okay. God. This level's not really nice. More health. Whoa! Oh! Did it fall back down? It did. Oh shit, I'm out of ammo. Oh, no, 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 no! Okay. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Wow, I feel better now. I got 200. I am now perfectly perfect. Alrighty then. I guess the only point of coming in here was to get all that. Yeah. Okay, now where the hell's the exit? Gotta get the hell out of this room. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, son of a bitch. Load. Loading. I'm not. No. And I had. Oh shit. Let me go ahead and speed this up real quick. I'm gonna kill these douchebags and kick real quick. Alright, took care of all those douchebags again. Alrighty then. And now I only got 129,200. That's even worse than last time. Alright. Alright. Save. And now. Oh, come on. Reload. Fuck you! What is back there? Let's find out. Nothing! That was retarded. Load. A little bit better. I've got a map. I can see where some of the secrets are. Oh, shut up. Don't go away, console. What is that? That must be the secret. That's probably the secret that I got. Yeah, get out of there. Yeah, all that stuff is purple. There's a little purple thing right there, and then you have no idea what I'm pointing at. But yeah, that's a secret. That's a secret, and I've already found both of those. So it's okay. What the hell's the damn frickin' damn? Oh, this. Ah, there it is, yeah. I've got the yellow key now, so let's go! Not doing too bad. 109, 143. Oh! Oh, that felt pretty good. Monster infighting. Shit. Fuck you! Ah! Alright. I'm gonna die. Yeah. There's the exit. I think that's the exit down there. Whoa! Oh! Well, what's in this little door up here? This level does not play around. Ow! .42 health, 5 armor. Alrighty then. Yeah. Now where to? Ooh, there's a secret up there. I see that. Or actually, not really a secret, it's a thing I haven't gone in yet. Let's go up there and die. I have no shotgun shells. No shotgun shells. I have no armor. I have no name. Ah, get out. It gets darker and darker after each one of these. There's a sphere. That'll help. Oh, man. There's a rocket launcher and some stuff down there, but I don't even know what's behind those doors. There's a bunch of chain gunners over there. Save. Well, I think there's revenants or chain gunners. One of those two. Oh, okay. Son of a bitch! Holy shit! Is there any health or items up there that I could use? Yeah. Okay, you know what? Hell with that. I'm not even gonna bother with all those people. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Hell with that. It's not even worth it. There's no items back there to be had. No nothing. Quick scavenge for items. And I'll probably just speed this up or cut. Ooh, a little more health. Alright, I figured it out. Yeah, those switches on the bottom, under the walls or whatever. Those are the same thing. They don't do anything else. All I got was one little tiny health node thingy. That's all I got. Couple of cells. Rockets. Yeah! My God. 50% secrets. I think those secrets, those weren't even secrets. Those are like death traps. Especially the super duper ultra chain gunner room. Well, challenge completed. I am the Dude 00. Dude Man 00. There you go. Let's see what the next level is. Refueling base. Man, I really rate monsters shooting at me right off the bat, man. I really do. There isn't, thank God. Alright. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching this episode of Brutal Doom. It was incredibly freaking hard. Later.